rays of sunshine. How are you all doing out there today? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and today I am at the Balancing Rock Trail in Long Island, Nova Scotia. This is actually the third part of a 3-video series that Gerald and I are working on. We went to Briar Island and here we are in Long Island. We've done different adventures, but today we're here to see the Balancing Rock. I've never been here before, but I've heard wonderful things. And if you're interested, come on along, my friends. It's going to be a fun adventure. This is a very nice parking area. They have a picnic table there if someone wants to have a picnic lunch. They have a couple of washrooms as well, and a place to put garbage. And there's our blue car right there. The Balancing Rock Trail, 200 million years in the making. This is a 1.7 kilometer nature trail that follows through bogs, wooded areas, and a steep embankment. The embankment to the rock has 235 steps with rest areas. Caution must be taken if you have health risks. Gerald and I have a lot of sunscreen on that we put on while we were at the car, and I have water in my backpack, so I'm all prepared. I'm looking forward to this trail. Like I mentioned earlier, I've heard a lot of wonderful things, and I'm very excited to be here today. This is a really nice boardwalk here. I like how they have it all taken care of, like everything looks brand new, fairly brand new. The wood is in good shape for walking. There's a slight breeze. You can see the branches on the trees moving a little tiny bit. But this is very pretty. What a very pretty area. On this placard, it says that there's skunk cabbage along our route. So we'll keep an eye out for that. And here's some skunk cabbage right here. I found one of their rest stops. There's a really nice bench here in the shade. Here's another rest stop. It's nice that they have them just very, very close to each other. It's really nice to have that if someone needs a break. It's a very nice sunny day. I'm glad that it is. So it's a very good day to be out here on the trail. Above my head there's a beautiful branch. It's almost forming like a little tunnel. The green from the leaves and the trees, everything looks so healthy. And I'm sure there's a lot of birds, animals, probably insects too, that love living here. Oh, there's a sign up ahead here. Caution, trail crew working ahead. All right, good to know. Just have to watch my step here. Yeah, some rocks. I'll have to watch my footing a little bit so I don't turn an ankle. I unfortunately am prone to doing that. Oh, there's another rest stop. And Gerald and I decided just to take a moment or two to have a little bit of a drink of water. What a pleasant day this is. Just a perfect day to go down this trail. This is really, really nice. There's a lot of shade, a lot of shady places, but some sunny places too. I actually thought that I'd be in the sun the whole entire time, but with the trees overhead, they're very cooling. It has a cooling effect. Lots of nice shade, but I'm still dressed appropriately. I have a t-shirt on, I've got my capris on, nice shoes, and I'm doing my best to avoid those rocks down there, staying on the sandy part of the path. There we go. Just watching my footing. And here's a few stairs right here. And they have a handrail there for safety, so that's good. So here we go, down the stairs. The mosquitoes are picking up. We didn't put on insect repellent, but I've decided, well, Gerald and I have decided, we're just going to keep moving. Little lookout spot just ahead, and there's plenty of stairs. It would have taken somebody, or actually a few people, quite a while to build all these stairs. No climbing, no leaning on rail or wire. We're getting close to the bottom. I can hear the waves. This is very pretty. What a very pretty spot. Still watching my footing here. Here's the view so far. So this is where we are, my friends. This is where we are. It's pretty, isn't it? Beautiful. This part here, it's a little steep, so I'm going to be really careful. They've got metal handbars for me to hold on to, so that's good. I'm a little nervous of heights, I will admit, so I'm just going to go a little bit slow. Oh my. I'm up pretty high. I feel a little nervous, I will admit, but I'll just take it slow. Just take it slow. Just taking my time. Here's the railing, but here's the view. Oh my. Isn't that beautiful? The famous balancing rock. I'm actually here seeing it. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, that is amazing. want to thank you so much for joining me here today. What an amazing adventure it has been today. I'm so glad that I came, and thank you all for watching. And if you like this vlog, please give me the YouTube thumbs up or press that subscribe button. That would be great. And I have more vlogs coming up, so stay tuned, and I'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon, my friends. Bye. Bye.